And so now to give you guys a little bit of a tutorial. So in order to get clean audio on the camera, it was actually kind of tricky. I have two different cameras, a ZV-E1 and a ZV-E10. And the key, all right, the absolute key is that if you're using it for your computer and for your camera and you don't want to be constantly adjusting volume settings, what you do is first, you set the audio gain knob on the microphone itself so that it gets picked up correctly on the computer. And then once you're happy with the audio levels on the computer, you then plug the mic into your camera, and then on the camera, turn down your mic gain until you hear no hiss or no like weird distortion. You might hear some hiss, but it won't be there when the video is actually playing back to you. No like electronic noise or distortions. For me, that was the volume level 7 on my Sony ZV-E1. And then on the audio out with the headphones icon, I would turn that up until I got a desired volume on the camera itself. So you can kind of think of it as having two independent volume controls. This is the order again: computer, audio gain, the microphone icon. Then you want to switch your camera's gain to the lowest where all the electronic noise is gone, and then you adjust the gain on the headphones icon on the mic. And that will get you perfect audio on both your camera and your computer.